and welcome back to another video. Today's video is another plan with me. I have fixed the jiggling. It was on a cord, like my stand was on a cord and I didn't know that. So it is fixed. There will be less jiggling today. Today I'm also going to be using a sticker kit from a new shop to me. The shop's name is BellasStickerShopCo, and she has the cutest little kits. Armenia is the owner, and I'm glad to call her a new planner friend. She has amazing quality for her print quality and cut quality on her stickers. This is matte paper. It's the same quality as my vinyl. I do not know how she did it, but it's beautiful. Maybe she'll tell me her secret so I can make some cheaper stickers. But it's really pretty. She draws all of these by hand and then makes these just gorgeous kits. So I'm gonna try to see how far I can go with just these 4 pages in my print impressions. So let's get into it. I'm gonna use this. It's meant to be like for your big planners, so it'd go enjoy the air and the sweet smells, which is really cute, but I'm just gonna do like this. I may cut that one though and put it up at the top. That could be cute. The only thing I have for next week, I might have to cut these, no, I can't cut it because of the quote. I'll just make it metal. Like I was saying, the only thing I have next week, like fully planned, is voting. And that I may early vote if the line is not too bad. There. Kind of made it in the middle. Go like this so it creases, and there we go. Okay, let's grab these date dots or date stickers. Just so you know, there are no numbers for them. That's fine. They don't always have to. I almost always forget to put them in anyways, so yeah, so the big thing this week in the US is the election. I hope you voted. I don't care who you voted for. I just hope that you went out and made your voice heard, because otherwise, in my opinion, you have nothing to complain about. And if you are not old enough to vote, which I don't think most of my viewers are, I think most of my viewers are in their like 20s and 30s, but if you're not old enough to vote, I hope that you still paid attention so that you can understand when it is your time to vote, how it works and all that kind of stuff. I know that when I was a kid, my mom used to make me watch it, and my dad used to make me go with them to the polling place. Like, obviously I couldn't go in, but they did make me do it because they thought it was important for me. Ooh, a little violent there, Melissa. Important for me to see how it all worked. So I'm going to put a master to-do list on the side today for this. I'm doing it a little bit differently, kind of like I did last week, where I'm just doing a cross and then putting the checklists at the end. I think it was Gwen from Gwenny Pooh do it, and I thought it was cute, and I was like, I think I'll try that. I'm also going to put one habit tracker down, like so. And now the hard part. There are 2 double box sets, and I just don't know which ones to use. I really like this one, so maybe I'll do that one here. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do these here. Like so. So, and I will try to remember to link the her shop down below. I know I'm really bad about remembering. If you guys ever see that I don't do it, please like call me out on it, and so I can fix it. This is really wide washi tape, so I think I might actually come down a little bit to where it would be on this one. Does that look weird? A little bit, but I'm okay with it. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, I think I'm gonna leave open. Yeah, I think Sunday I'll put this cute box here in the middle, and I can just put stuff over it like that. And then I want to use this one for sure, probably for Monday, but we'll put it up at the top. And then I traditionally save my I voted sticker to put in my planner, so I'm gonna wait. But look at all these extra stickers I have. Like, this is insane, the amount that I still have. I mean, I can even put the weekend banner right there. But lots of awesome stickers. I'm gonna see how this turns out. Check out my Instagram at the butterfly planner, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And don't forget to check out BellasStickerShopCo on Etsy and on Instagram. See you in the next one. Bye.